Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt bites. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of plain yogurt, either Greek or regular, along with your favorite fresh fruits like berries or bananas. A touch of honey or maple syrup can add sweetness. Make sure to have a baking sheet ready, lined with parchment paper or a silicone mat, which will prevent sticking and make cleanup a breeze. Now let's get to mixing. In a bowl, combine your 1 cup of plain yogurt with about 2 tablespoons of your chosen sweetener, like honey or maple syrup. Then, fold in approximately 1/4 cup of finely chopped fruit. Once everything is gently mixed, spoon the yogurt mixture into a piping bag. If you don't have one, a simple resealable plastic bag with a small corner snipped off works perfectly. With your piping bag ready, gently squeeze out small, coin-sized dollops of the yogurt mixture onto your lined baking sheet. Aim for bites about 1 inch in diameter. Once all your yogurt is piped, carefully transfer the entire sheet to the freezer. Let them freeze for a minimum of 2 hours, or until they are completely solid. After freezing, transfer them to an airtight container for easy storage, where they will keep well for up to 1 month. The beauty of yogurt bites is their versatility. Feel free to get creative with your flavors. Try adding a pinch of cinnamon or a few drops of vanilla extract to the yogurt mixture before freezing. For a richer treat, swirl in a teaspoon of your favorite nut butter, like almond or peanut butter. You can also experiment with different fruit purees or even a touch of cocoa powder for a chocolatey twist. Enjoy customizing your delicious, healthy snacks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.